Kings of Crunch, Series 9, 1996 Ford F-250, Bigfoot 7, with the 10 feet tall tires. Here are the other trucks in this series. We get the 1970 Chevrolet K10 USA No. 1 Heritage, the 1979 Ford F-250 Super Monster, the 1979 Ford F-250 West Virginia Mountaineer, the 1986 Chevrolet S10 Push and Stomp, the 1989 Chevrolet S10 Thunder Chicken. Here comes Bigfoot 7 up top of those crush cars. So let's check it out. Zoom in here. We get a lot of detail going on the truck with the sponsors back here. And then a little sponsor, Summit Racing Equipment. There's another sponsor, Firestone. We also got sponsors underneath here on the chassis area, I'm going to call it. And you get that unique look of the graphics of on a Bigfoot truck, going from white to yellow to kind of reddish, it looks like to me. Also, let's go ahead and turn it around to the front. Whoa, there we go. Kind of different, since this is my first one opening up with the 10 feet tall tires. Here is the Ford grille. The lights look good. Kind of the fake KC lights on the bumper, front bumper. And then we get that flame job going across the hood of the truck. And now to the other side of the truck. And then just wanted to point out, mine had a little bit of a trouble with the tire and wheel connecting. You can see it right there. Tried to fix it as properly as I could, but you can see a little bit it's not perfect. So let's go here to the back of the truck. On the tailgate, it says Bigfoot. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this review and unboxing.